Yeah.
What's up, mathletes? It's Math Life here, and just want to say thank you for subscribing. 122 subscribers. What's up now? If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and don't forget that little bell for notifications. Ding! All right, so recently we went to Lake Tobias and we did the safari tour, so you get to see all these cool animals. And I was trying to figure out how to put the video together, and I found some cool mixer videos that I wanted to try out for free. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of those apps and how they are, and what you think of this style of video that I'm going to present to you. And let's rock and roll. Let's check it out. Peace. If you liked any part of that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a like. I put the descriptions in the comment section down below of the 2 apps I use, Viva Video and Intro Maker. And thank you to you for watching my videos and subscribing and making it Math Life. Math you later. Peace.